Hi everyone, today we're going to make this adorable kitty quiet book. Well, it can get a little loud when you're playing with it. Here is the book in action.
Beep, 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 beep. Time to start the day. Thank you. Bye-bye.
I purchased these templates online. You could actually design and print out your own. I covered the designs with laminating sheets, or you could use clear tape. But I found laminating sheets to be the easiest because they covered a large surface area. Oh, and these are heatless laminating sheets, so all you have to do is stick them onto your image. Be sure to smooth out the image to remove any air bubbles. Now your images are waterproof. You only need to laminate the front side of the book covers. Cut out the shapes after laminating. For the small pieces that will go inside of the book, you want to laminate both sides. So here I'm sandwiching my image between two sheets of laminating sheets. Now cut out the small laminated pieces. Tape both sides of the book covers together. You're going to be stuffing them, so you want to create a pocket. Seal along the edges, but keep an opening where you're going to fill with cotton. Now fill with cotton. We just want it to be slightly puffy. Now use tape or double-sided tape to attach pieces into your pages. I made a mistake by attaching the binding on the left side horizontally when it should have been vertical. But now you're ready to play. Thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe for more fun ideas. Bye!